Dímelo, mi gente, Marco here again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about OORT. OORT is a data cloud for decentralized AI in Web3 and crypto. Thank you to one of our subscribers. His name is Letterbelt12. He says, can you do OORT next? It's a DePIN layer 1, has 200 patents and 40 plus partnerships, Binance integration, and still a very low market cap gem, under 32 million, and highly deflationary coin, built on proof of honesty consensus and is community driven. So I was like, wow, that sounds awesome. And when he mentioned the market cap, it was 32 million. Right now it's 41 million, and it has gone up 172% in the past month. And from the all-time low, it is up 223%. So really only in crypto, it has only been 1 month. All time though, it is down 94%. So the chart doesn't look as good when I show it like this, and all time is down 70%. But really, this is something that is needed. AI and where it's moving, we need it to be decentralized, and we need everyone, to kind of like put their input and have their ideas, right? We don't want all these big companies and all these big corporations to kind of have the control of AI, because that's where the world is leading. Anyways, the total supply is 2 billion. Second supply is 596 million. So the fully diluted valuation is right now 139 million. I couldn't find the vesting periods, right? So really I couldn't find that, but this is how the distribution goes. So 65% goes to mining reserves, 15% goes to fundraising, 10% to the foundation, and 10% to the team. I just want to show you a quick video from their YouTube, so let's watch it right now.
Welcome to OORT. OORT is your go-to for cutting-edge, privacy-first, and cost-conscious decentralized data solutions. At its core, OORT is a global data cloud platform, meticulously crafted to seamlessly blend privacy and cost savings. So why OORT? Well, OORT sets a new standard for data security. With one of the world's largest globally decentralized networks, we redefine data security. Our innovative three-tier network links diverse service providers globally, including data centers, private cloud servers, and edge devices, ensuring top-tier data privacy and security. And if you're tired of those hefty cloud service bills, OORT has your back. We effortlessly deliver up to 60% cost savings by tapping into underutilized computing and storage resources worldwide. Plus, we're experts at smartly scheduling tasks for optimized cost efficiency. Let's now explore OORT's product suite. OORT TDS, Talk to Data Service. It's like having a generative AI builder at your fingertips. You can quickly create AI agents that provide accurate information and services from user-provided data. No coding or AI expertise required. OORT DSS, Decentralized Storage Service. Think of it as your ultra-secure data vault. It offers end-to-end encryption, making it a fantastic alternative to AWS S3. It's private, cost-effective, and rock solid in terms of security. And don't forget OORT DCS, Decentralized Compute Service. It's your powerhouse for cloud computing, but it's decentralized. It's the ideal choice for your intensive machine learning or big data analytics, with no worries about scalability or cost. But it's not just about services. It's about our commitment to the future of data. OORT emphasizes decentralized storage, compute, and intelligence, offering solutions for a wide range of applications, from decentralized web hosting to object storage, NFT storage, generative AI chatbots, AI training, and more. Welcome to OORT, your gateway to the decentralized data cloud and future of data interaction.
So yeah, this is why I love crypto, right? Everything is is scalable and cheaper in cost. They even said, you could save cost by 60%, which is absolutely what we want to see. Anyways, I just want to talk about the foundation or the team in general. So they have a pretty big team, if I do say so myself. So this is the leadership. Also, show them Michael Robinson. You can find them on LinkedIn. The founder and CEO is Max Lin. This is from the OORT Foundation. They have a couple of people here from the advisory. They have this professor from McGill. I think that is in Montreal. I know it's in Canada. But yeah, they have a pretty big team, right? They have, how much is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so like about 30 employees, give or take, a little bit more. So that's pretty good. I do want to say though, there's not that many transactions happening in the past month, right? They only have like 181, 64. I don't know why they fluctuate so much, right? You can see it here. They have 3,000 and then they have 400. They have 3,000 again, 400, 500, 3,500, 500, 800. So in the past year, they had a lot of transactions, especially when it came out, right? I'll just show you real quick. Let me see. So yeah, the token came out last year. They've been working on it, I think, since 2021, but it looks like the layer 1 has been active since last year. And honestly, in the end of 2024, they had a lot of transactions, right? 50,000, 47,000. This day they have 77,000, right? So not too big compared to the other layer ones, but activity happening. And then someday, boom, something crashed. So I don't know if they had like a big application that they were working with and then they disappear or they stop working. But even here, you see the latest blogs and the latest transactions. Let me refresh this because this is from a while ago. So let me refresh it. Not that much happening, right? 1 minute, 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, 7 minutes ago, 15 minutes ago. Yeah, not that many transactions happening. And to be honest, if that's a coin that I'm invested in or a layer one that I'm invested in, I would not be paying that high of valuation, but that's just me. And as well as here, they have, like I said, the tokenomics, the burn miners token, so they have 40%. Then they have this like mining pool that's 15%. They have the chance account 13%. The Sigin account is 3%, but then they have Gate.io, Mexi, Bitget. I don't know. The tokenomics, I don't really like them in my opinion, but that's just me. Their website is pretty cool. It's all right. They have 83,000 nodes worldwide over 100 countries, and they have 307,000 data contributors. So that is pretty cool. Other than that, though, not really that much. They have 7 data marketplaces, 117,000 weekly active users, which is pretty good, right? But not that many transactions happening. We could see it on the blockchain. So that's it for the website. They also have this like DataHub that they have like this data collection, and the data labeling is coming sometime soon. So yeah, they have a lot of contributors, right? A lot of contributors, and that's what we want. Oh, I forgot to show, but if you want to contribute to the data, they have this App Store and they have this like, I think this is Google Play. So yeah, if you want to contribute, apparently, you can stake some of the OORT, and then you get return of investment of 556%. I haven't tested it out myself, but they say real users, real rewards. See how contributors are turning simple tasks into meaningful returns. So do this at your own risk. I haven't done them personally, but there's some tasks that you could do and potentially earn. I'm not saying you're going to earn. I'm not paid by them. I'm not sponsored by them or anything. You could try the web version. The web version is not here yet. If we check it out, I'm just going to check it out real quick. So you could scan it to get access. The desktop version is coming sometime soon. So just wanted to show you that. But yeah, if you want to do some tasks, download it and try it out. See for yourself before investing, right? I always mention this to everyone. Before you invest in all these products, always use them first, right? Use them. They have these data sets too. Here they have home appliances, nighttime road signs, ambient sounds. So they have sounds and images. I clicked on the home appliances and they show you some of the examples, right? So here's some of the examples. Let me see for nighttime road signs. So yeah, here are some examples they could use. These look like they're in Asia, right? The team looked that they were from Asia. So yeah, the data titles 8,000, data formats is JPEGs and PNGs, data size is 10 gigabytes. Location is worldwide, resolution is minimum 180p, and road signs photographed under different nighttime conditions. So yeah, pretty cool. Definitely check it out. Also on their Twitter, they have 144,000 followers, which is pretty good. Obviously, we want that million, but overall, I personally hadn't heard about them, and them having 144,000 followers is honestly pretty good. They joined in 2021, and here they have this article. I'll leave this article in the description down below. I'm not going to read it. But obviously, they say that they are the TikTok for data, which TikTok is like a cesspool of everything. I don't know if I want to be associated with TikTok. Obviously, the highest social media platform or fastest growing social media platform in the whole world. So yeah, maybe, but I don't know. Tokens that are down 94%. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but I do love what they're doing, and I do love the idea of a decentralized AI. So I'm not going to bet against them, but me personally, I'm not going to buy it. I may be dumb, and this might do 1,000x, whatever it may be. Me personally, I'm just not going to buy it. But if you buy it, I'm not going to hold you against it. It is a great idea, and I do believe decentralized AI is the next step. And if they take it there, it's a great project for anyone to get into. But before you get into it, please test it out. See if you like it. Test the data sets or try and get some rewards by helping them create this DePIN and this decentralized AI. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.